the rivets and the self-tapping screws, while they do perform, provide compression to the defect. The big downside is they create additional leak sources. So, for instance, if you have a crack or a through hole, you've got to apply a certain number of rivets or self-tapping screws around that defect, anywhere from 4, 6, 8, 10, just depending on the size of the defect. So you start out with one leak source, and before it's over, you've created multiple leak points, and again, they are extremely temporary, because these tanks are dynamic by design. They're constantly expanding and contracting. They're very flexible. They're expanding and contracting. They're the roofs will actually move in the wind, almost like the surface of water, with wind blowing across it. So you have this dynamic scenario where these rivets and the self-tapping screws and the polymers, what happens, they loosen up and the polymers delaminate. And the advantage of forge bonding is we can permanently attach that stud to the surface of the tank without creating that leak source, and provide the compression it needs to prevent the polymers from delaminating while simultaneously compressing on the gaskets. So it's a win-win scenario. We're able to provide the compression that's needed without creating the additional leak sources.